and also you don't need to touch anything. In order to say something, you've got voice navigation here, or you can say, hey, SIRI, and it will wake the phone up, and then you can tell it. But what you can also do, you've got voice activation here. You click that button up like so. Navigate to McDonald's.
One moment.
That's not a good sound when it says that.
One option I see is McDonald's. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Getting directions to McDonald's. Starting route to McDonald's.
That's it. A button with go comes
Head
up.
northwest on Blackburn Road.
You can either select the go and just click yes, or leave it and it will automatically go. We'll just cancel navigation.
Route guidance not active.
Send text to Barry Crampton.